Hello guys! Good afternoon. Ano na guys? Ang oras is 12:30 and I am cooking munggo. So munggo ang uulamin natin today. I also cook rice because Lakota, she wants to eat rice and maybe I'm going to eat a little bit of rice too. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to lit the fire here. Sorry for the mess. Yeah, I'm going to lit the fire because we are going to grill this, guys. We're going to grill the leeks. Okay. And some meat. Yeah, longganisa lang yun, guys. At saka chorizo. Yun lang ang i-grill natin. Kasi may isda. No, not isda, but we have, how they call this one? Yeah, we have meatballs and fish balls na ifra-fry. And meron din akong binili kagabi na it's a kind of shell, guys, na pahaba siya. I don't know the name of that. They call it here nabaya. So it's like a knife. So nabaya is knife but short. So ganon yung style niya, guys, na pahaba siya. Na parang tahong pero as in pahaba talaga siya. So, yun yung uulamin namin for today's lunch. Tapos, gusto kong kumain, guys, ng munggo. I remember that I have munggo and I didn't eat munggo for quite a long time now. Because, you know, munggo or legumes, normally, they give gases and it bothers me a lot. So, hindi ako kumakain, guys, lalo na pag pupunta ako ng work kasi nga, hindi ako makautot doon sa trabaho. Kaya dito na lang ako sa bahay kakain. So, at least I am free to utot-utot. So funny, right? Okay, guys. So, pakita ko na lang mamaya sa inyo after na masindihan natin yung chimney.
Yeah.
Oh, we have to... Ooh. Okay, guys. So, tapos na ito. Ang hinihintay ko na lang, guys, ay I need the baga. So, yun ang hintayin natin. Tapos, ilagay natin yung meat sa taas, guys. Yung taba niya, guys, as in na naglalaglagan, kaya sumisindi yung apoy. Kain tayo! And rice, we have rice, and this is the salsa of the calçot. And this is the aioli. And so yummy. Alright guys, nung tapos na kaming kumain ng lunch, nanood kami ng series, yung Brewing Love. So, napanood ko na yun guys, kaso nga lang my husband didn't yet. So, I rewatched it with him. And nasa ano na kami, nasa chapter 11. We finished the episode 11 and isa na lang yung kulang, which is the episode 12, and that is the ending. And I hope we can watch it tonight. Before 5, they went to the town kasi fiesta guys namin, town fiesta. So my eldest daughter Hailey, she met her friends, her schoolmates in town, kaya pumunta ang asawa ko at dinala niya si Hailey and also Lakota just to go to the fair. And they said that they're going to buy churros, and I'm going to make I think it's been an hour since they left, and they called me a while back and they said that Lakota is enjoying at the fun fair, and she found a friend, not a friend but a classmate in there, so they are playing together. And while Hailey is with her friends, so ayun guys. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the mess a little bit, and then I'm going to make a hot chocolate because that is the perfect partner for the churros. And I hope they'll be here very soon. Yeah, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:13 p.m.
6:13 p.m. So guys, ano na, 6:13 p.m. pero may liwanag pa. So gumaganda na ang weather dito sa amin. At saka medyo mainit na. Kaso nga lang, this weekend, as in na maulap, it's cloudy, at saka umulan guys. So nakikita nyo siguro ito guys. This one, yan ay shell. That was my dinner last night. And I took it from work. Pinaluto ko yun sa trabaho ko. Kaya nung dumating ako kagabi, ito na lang ang kinain ko. It's a kind of shell. It's big one and they are beautiful. And look, maganda, di ba? It's big and beautiful. Tapos yung laman niya lang guys ang kinain ko. Of course, yun lang naman talaga nakakain, di ba? And I didn't throw away because Lakota wants the shell. And she said that she's going to make a craft something guys. Kaya what I'm going to do is I will soak it into the water. And then maybe tomorrow or tonight, I don't know. Maybe tomorrow, I will wash and then dry it. Kaso nga lang, yun nga, walang araw. So, it's quite difficult to dry. Yeah, kasi i-dry natin sa labas para hindi naman para ma-dry ng mabuti pag sa labas, guys. Pag i-air dry natin. And also, as in guys, na super busog kami. Kasi nga, we had barbecue, munggo, and calçots, and ano pa ba? And drinks. And I didn't even cook ng guys, ng, how do you call this? Ng dessert. Hindi rin ako kumain ng dessert kasi nga I'm really full. And because they said that they're going to buy churros, so I'm waiting for them Para sa ganun, hindi na ako kain ng kain. Because once I'm at home, guys, my brain keeps on thinking about food. And that's not good. It's not a good idea. Yeah. And yeah, I'm going to clean the sink a little bit. And then I will make the hot chocolate. And then I'm going to fry the how do you call this, meatballs, and I also defroze fish balls kasi sabi ni Hailey na she likes it. That's for lunch sana, kaso nga lang marami yung naluto ko, kaya sabi niya, no need to cook, mommy, that's for dinner tonight, sabi niya. So okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So ayan guys, yung fish bowl. Ito yung fish bowl na i-fry natin.
So, I filled my 7-quart jars, and then I did have some carrots left, and then I'll fill this container of carrots with some water and keep these in the fridge for the kids to snack on. I think these carrots that I cut up only lasted about 18 hours before they were all gone. So like I said,
hello, sir. Hello, guys. So, tapos na kaming kumain. And now, it is time to sleep. No, tapusin pala namin yung series, guys. Yung episode 12 ng Brewing Love. Napanood ko na as I commented a while ago. Pero yun nga, yung asawa ko hindi pa niya napanood. And he loves it. So, we are going to finish it together. And then we are going to sleep. Because tomorrow, I'm going to start to work at 7 o'clock in the morning. Can you imagine? So, at 6 o'clock, I have to get up, prepare myself, and then going to work. I will have some coffee, and then going to work. So, yun guys, as in super early, di ba? Pero tomorrow, 4 hours lang ako guys, from 7 to 4. And then the next day, from 7 to 3. So, 8 hours. That's so long, huh? And then Wednesday from 3 to 9:30 ako sa hapon ako guys on Wednesday. Kasi yung isa kong kasama, may classes siya in the morning. So, yung boss namin, he changed our timetables only on Wednesday. So, ayun. And then, the next day, I think 7 o'clock again. My goodness. So, I'm so tired. Really, really tired. And I only have 1 week. Uminom pala kami, guys. Uminom pala ako. I'm the only one drinking because my husband is not okay. he cannot tolerate wine, guys, so I'm the only one. Yeah, so ayun, this is our dog Everest. Evie, wapa, Evie, wapa. Yes. So, yun nga guys, I'm so tired because we only have 1 week. We only have 1 day off. So, I work from Monday to Saturday. Can you imagine? And I only have Sunday off. So tired guys. So, one Saturday, once na Sunday, Kasi na, what I want is just to rest. I want to stay home. And sometimes we have, if it is so sunny, we have to wash our clothes and all that. But today it wasn't. So we didn't wash our clothes. And my husband is going to wash our clothes tomorrow. And, ayun nga. Kasi, ano kasi guys, winter pa namin dito and it is really cold. So, mahirap i-dry yung mga damit kung ihang lang namin inside our house. And we use our dryer. So, if it is so sunny, we have to take advantage of the solar panel para as in na hindi malakas yung paggamit namin ng electricity guys. Kasi as in na super expensive ang electricity dito. So, ayun. And yes guys, I'm going to close the vlog. I hope you liked the video today. It is very short, I think. I'm not sure if it is short or not. And yeah, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hope to see you again very soon. Bye!